Almost every city in India has one of these.
A massive fire broke out at a landfill site in North Delhi.
Fire at Kochi's waste treatment plant.
Megacity Mumbai is rapidly running out of space to dump garbage.
Chennai and Delhi, landfill fire, which is difficult to control.
Today, the world faces one major problem: waste. Every second, tons of plastic pile up, covering our land, our rivers, and our oceans. Every year, millions of animals die because of plastic. As a result, plastic pollution has become one of the greatest environmental threats of our time. But some nations have turned this crisis into an opportunity. Sweden, with almost zero waste, now imports garbage from other countries to power its circular economy and renewable energy plants. Even the New York Times once declared, the new Wall Street stock is trash. Singapore, Germany, Japan, all are producing energy from waste. In India, every single day, more than 3.5 million tons of plastic waste is generated. And Tamil Nadu, a state known for its industrial growth, is now drowning in plastic. Cement plants, textile mills, and paper industries spend millions of rupees every year on fossil fuels. On one side, waste is increasing. On the other, fuel prices are rising. There's one solution for both: turning waste into fuel through a circular economy. Agan Pyrolysis plant, a next-generation technology that converts plastic into valuable fuel. From 5 tons of plastic, we produce 2.5 tons of pure pyrolysis oil. No smoke, no residue. Waste becomes wealth. This is not just recycling. This is a global-grade fuel reshaping the energy market. But why is pyrolysis oil so significant? Because it's a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuel. For industries like cement, textiles, and paper, it's cheaper, cleaner, and far more sustainable. Plastics are inexpensive and durable. That's why their production has grown rapidly around the world. But because of their chemical structure and resistance to natural decay, they take hundreds of years to degrade. That's what makes plastic pollution a global crisis. In a world drowning in plastic waste, it's now being transformed into a valuable resource, reused across industries through a process called chemical recycling. Plastic, by nature, is made from crude oil. But through a reverse process known as pyrolysis, it can be converted back into its original form. Plastic pyrolysis is a process where plastics are heated at high temperatures without oxygen, breaking them down into reusable fuel, a highly advanced recycling technology. The word pyro means heat, and lysis means breakdown, together meaning breakdown by heat. Inside our ASME certified plasma reactor, plastics are heated up to 450 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, molecules vibrate intensely, breaking chemical bonds into smaller components. A catalyst helps accelerate the process. From this, we obtain 80% oil, 15% gas, 5% carbon black, or ash. The plastic pyrolysis process has 5 key stages. 1. Waste plastic. 2. Pretreatment. 3. Shredding. 4. Pyrolysis. 5. Condensation and refining. First, during pretreatment, all foreign materials are removed. Next, the plastic is shredded into small pieces. Then, the shredded plastics are fed into the ASME plasma reactor. Here, in the absence of oxygen and with the help of a catalyst, plastics are heated to 450 degrees Celsius, turning into gas. This gas then passes through a condenser, where it cools and converts into liquid oil. From this process, we get 80% oil, 15% gas, and 5% carbon black. 80% oil, used in cement, glass, ceramic, and power industries, and can be refined into diesel. For trucks, tractors, and heavy vehicles, 15% gas. Recycled back into the reactor to provide heat for the process. 5% carbon black, or ash, used in construction as slag or converted into coal for industrial use. All around the world, industries are still relying on traditional systems: coal burners, gas burners, rotary burners. Because of this, there are 2 major problems: high operating costs from fluctuating fuel prices and heavy maintenance, and environmental impact caused by harmful emissions. But our Agan plant is different. We use an advanced plasma reactor with a high-yield condensation system, powered entirely by electricity. 0 direct emissions, no burning, and extremely low operating cost. To put it simply, think of it like the automotive industry's shift to electric. Cleaner, smarter, and absolutely future-ready. This is not just recycling. This is the fuel of the future. Recognized on the global stage, your investment doesn't just yield financial returns. It also helps build a sustainable future for generations to come. The world has already begun converting waste into energy. Sweden, Singapore, Germany, they acted ahead of time. Now, it's Tamil Nadu's turn. Agan Pyrolysis is not just a plant. It's a revolution that makes history. A movement for a cleaner tomorrow.